Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show how to sew down lace closure. This video was actually requested. So this is the wig cap I'm going to be using. As you can see, it's a swimming cap, which is really good for water in case you want to wash your wig, and is in the size medium, which is the perfect size. Now I'm just placing the wig cap on the head of the mannequin before I start sewing down the lace closure. This is my lace closure. I got it on AliExpress. There are actually some details in there which I'm trying to show you guys. Anyway, so this is how the lace closure looks like. It's really beautiful and so soft. I like it. I really do. Now I'm just placing the lace closure on top of the wig cap. I'm also going to be using my needles to hold it down. You can use pins if you have any pins, and if you don't have any pins, you can also use your needles like I'm doing right now. I'm going to use that to hold it down before I start sewing it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Now I'm going to go ahead and start sewing down the lace closure.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So this is after I finished installing the full wig. I'm just cutting out the extra closure from the front. I also went ahead and cut out the wig cap under that lace closure so that the lace closure can come through. This step is very necessary. So this is all for this video, and I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.